all going on a summer holiday. That's it, guys. We're off now. We're going to France for 2 weeks, and we're hoping that the weather improves, because it's pretty awful. So on our way down from Nottingham, we've called into a pub called the Barley Mow. It's not too far from Abingdon. Here we have a quick lunch, and then we will continue down to Portsmouth. Is it filming? Not me.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Although you've got a big line of cars coming your way. Sweet. We made it, we're in France, everyone. It's nice and sunny, the sun is out. It's going to be a pleasant mid-20s today. Beautiful. Okay, so we're on a drive down to the campsite in the Vendee, and we've gone around Nantes, the city, and it's always traffic chaos, but if you just trust your sat nav, it will take you around. It's a lovely place. This here, so basically you join the toll road as you're heading south towards Bordeaux, and as you go through the toll a few miles down the road, you come to this absolutely beautiful area. And you've got a wooded area, loads of picnic tables, toilets. There's no cafes or shops there, so just bear that in mind. Okay, we'll move on now. Okay guys, we've made it. We are at the site now, here to have fun for another fantastic holiday. So this is part 1 of our adventure, and I hope you will join us as we explore many parts of this area in France. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you very soon. Hello. Right, so been on the road since 8 AM and it's now 20 to 5 PM. We've been out on the road all this time, but it's self-inflicted. We would have actually made it to this site at around 11:40, but we made a few stops on the way down, did a few geocaches. As you know, if we find any places to stop, we will do and make the most of it. So we've stopped on the way down, and so yeah, it's only takes a couple of hours from the ferry. Once you start making your way down, it's actually not too bad. It doesn't take you too long. You get a little bit of traffic around the cities, but once you've got past that, it's pretty much quick getting down. So that's it.
Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out our playlist from France.